Hey pop stars, I'm CakePopClara. Welcome to my channel. I am really excited today because I'm going to be unboxing a sweet Lolita dress. And remember, if you want to have the confidence to wear the fashion that you love, subscribe to my channel because that's what my videos are all about. Oh my gosh, I haven't gotten anything new in so long. If you haven't bought Lolita in a while and then make a purchase, you know the feels. Let's get to unboxing. Woo! This package arrived very quickly. I bought it off a seller on Lacemarket, which is one of my favorite places to buy Lolita, even though it's secondhand, so really you gotta make sure that they have good, you know, reviews and stuff on their account. If you buy stuff off of Lacemarket, make sure you're leaving reviews because that's nice. Even if it's a negative review, let people know. This was actually a Taobao brand. It was $57. I will show you why that's so exciting. Let's get to opening this box. It came so fast. I bought it on Friday, I think, and it was here by Monday. I just opened up the package, and you can see it's all packaged really well in there. What a good seller. I think I should do the blouse first because she did mention there was some damage, so I don't want you to be disappointed. But, oh my god. I mentioned to the seller that it was my first purchase in a while, and she was like, I'll see if I have some extra goodies to throw in. And I'm like, Jesus Christ, like, you are a literal angel. That is the cool thing about using Lacemarket, is that some sellers are really super nice and will throw in extra stuff just because they are like God, basically. No, I mean, whatever. Okay, you can see she threw in this ivory acorn head bow, and the style is so cute because it's a whole head bow and then it has like an extra bow on the bow. It's a bowception. This one is really cute. I will definitely wear it. And plus it has like white lace around the outside, all around the outside, and like then you can coordinate it more. And then the other one she threw in was literally an angelic pretty bow. This one is so cute. Now I need to get a red dress. I can't stop, won't stop. It's like a side style bow. Oh my gosh, this would look really cute with like my normal clothes too because it's a little understated and that looks good with my regular hair. Oh my gosh. Let's see what the other one looks like on too, since I won't be using these in my coordinate. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Alright, so now onto the blouse. This is the blouse that came with the set. I forget where she said the damage was. Oh, I see. It's this part on the back where you put the button in. Literally, I'll just glue it. This blouse is super cute. Cat's paw. Nebula. I've really never heard of that, but I am feeling this, Mr. Krabs. It's like a peasant style shirt. It's so cute. This will look really cute with my normal clothes too. I am now going to show you the dress. So this is what it looks like in the back. Oh, it's a heart with checkered gingham and it has corset lacing on the heart. Okay. Oh my gosh, this fabric is so sturdy and nice. So you can see the bottom has like these sewed on hearts that have a little gingham pattern in it and corset lacing, and there's shirring on the back, and the dress is brown but the waist bows are pink. Also the dress features like a tiered skirt. Let me try to stand up and show you. In the back they actually stick out and you can poof it out, and in the front it just is sewed down. The top half is a bib style bodice, which is really cute. The straps are very ruffly. The buttons are little pearls. The bow is really adorable. This is like a perfect dress for me. I'm dying. Who's dying with me? I am going to try it on. Oh, wait. So I have one last thing to show you from this unboxing. The headdress that came with it. And it is literally so cute. It's a little rectangle headdress with that gingham pattern on it. This headdress actually has the snaps in it, or the combs in it for your hair. Oh, the snappy comb, which I never have used, but that actually really helps because my other rectangle headdress from Bodyline, literally it will like slip and slide all over my little head. Taobao brands can be really affordable if you're new to Lolita, and if you're confused about using shopping services, I will put a link to a guide to do it below. Now I'm going to try to make a coordinate, try it on, and then show you what I come up with. Some people might say these shoes are not Lolita, but yeah, they're my grandma's shoes. They have cute buckles though. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe for new videos every single week.